Good morning, guys. We'll start session in 2 minutes.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning, Indra.
Hey, guys. What is going on? Any doubts that you have? Meanwhile, people are joining in. No doubts, everything good. Is there anyone in the class for whom this is the first one? Guys, am I audible?
Yes, Indra.
Okay, but you guys are not. Guys, is my screen visible?
Yes, yes.
Yes, Indra.
Yes.
Cool. So, guys, welcome back to KSR Datavizon. This is the fourth free preview session on PowerApps. Okay. So you are with there will be one more session that will be on Monday. That will be the free one. After that, there will be paid sessions. So guys, today what we will be discussing, we will be continuing from the point where we left off day before yesterday. So we have already created a SharePoint site. We have implemented the data design for that. Today we will go ahead and we will start with the Power Apps project. We will go ahead and create a first Power App, and in that we will create the SharePoint connection. I will introduce you to the PowerFx. Then we will discuss about forms, and we will discuss about a function called as submit form in PowerFX. So let's move ahead, guys. What is the URL for Power Apps?
Make.powerapps.com.
Very good. So, guys, to create a new app, go to create a canvas app, click on start with blank canvas, tablet size app. So your app is created, right? So now, guys, what is the first thing that you need to do? Tell me.
We need to connect with the data source.
Very good. You need to connect with the data source. So, guys, to connect with the data source, where you need to go?
SharePoint or add data.
Add data.
Very good. Add data, right? You have two ways to navigate to add data. Here you go. This is add data. This is add data. Same thing, right? Click on add data. Search here. SharePoint, right? Click on SharePoint. Select the connection. So if you don't have any connection, click on add connection. Select cloud services. Connect directly. Click on connect. Okay, so here you will be able to see all the sites which you have access to. So you remember which is the site?
Yeah, Power Platform, December 2025 morning batch.
Okay. Just a sec. Okay. So guys, what is the name of the table that we have created in there?
Expense details.
Very good. Click on that. Click on connect. Here you go. Is it created? The connection created, table loaded, expense detail. Guys, is it added here?
Yes, Indra.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
So there are three things. You can refresh the data, you can edit it, you can remove it.
Remove.
Okay. So this is how, guys, you will be creating the connection with the Canvas app. Now let me quickly go ahead and let us start with the screen. So what will be the first screen of your app, guys?
Login screen.
Login screen, right? So suppose you are already logged in. Then,
Home screen.
very good. Home screen or welcome screen, isn't it?
Yes.
Agree?
Yes, yes.
So how to create that? You can simply go here. So first thing first, what you will have? You will have a header, right? Agree?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
So how to create header? You have insert. You can take a text label, place it here, drag it to the end. You can give name, welcome screen. Welcome screen is not a good name. You can say expense tracker, the app name, right?
Yeah.
You can, from here, you can go ahead and beautify it. 25, let's see how it is looking. 30, okay. Semi bold. So I want to change colors also. So to change the color, here you go. This is the text color. This is the background color. Let me put some good one background color. How it is? Fine. I would love to have these lighter shades. Again, this is your choice, guys. Whichever you want, you can go ahead and use. Okay. Someone
Okay.
was having some doubt. Sir, do we need to remember RGBA? Answer is
No.
no, right? Here you can
No.
go ahead and select. Let me use this blue. Okay. So this one, if you want to make to white, you can do that. But it will black is looking good. So after that, if you want to add border, change the border color, you can do that. Focused border, wrap, you can turn off. Now, guys, after this, I want to go ahead and I want to add the logo of my organization also, right? Here, might be at the bottom. So how to add the logo? Click on
Yeah.
insert
Image.
Media.
image. In
Image.
media, image control. Click on image, place it here, right? Just a sec, just a sec. I told you there was one more place, right? From where you can add the images. From media also, right? Media, add media, upload. KSR logo. I will be having it somewhere here. Yes. Click on three dots, click on add to canvas. Here you go. Your logo is added. And this image, we can keep it here. Clear, guys, how to add the logo? Go to media, click on upload, upload your image, click on three dots, add to canvas, and it will be added.
Edit.
So what this image will do, here you can see the page of your canvas app. You have an image here, right? IS where it is coming. I don't have any image in my KSR consultant services account. So that's why it is not coming here. So I want that image to be available here, right? Image of the logged in user.
Yes.
Suppose Dinesh is logged in, so he will be able to see his image here. Very reasonable ask, isn't it?
Correct.
So how to do that? You can add the image control, click on that, And here you will be having lots of properties, right? So image property. So here you can see it is sample image. What you want to get, what? You want to get the logged in user image, isn't it? So guys, for that you have a function in PowerFx, which is
User
called as user
image.
dot. Once you click on user dot, so this will contains the details of the logged in user. So what it will have image, it will have email, it will have object ID, and it will have full name of the user. So I want what? I want image. Here you go. I don't have any image, so that's why it is coming like the blank image. Now whoever will logs into my app, they will be able to see this. Clear? So this or I would say two words or one line that you have written, this is called as PowerFX. Okay. So now coming to the point whether you need to by heart something for PowerFX, like whether you need to go ahead and by heart all the functions or not, the answer is no. You can simply go here, PowerFX, MS Docs. This is PowerFX formula reference. You can go ahead, pin this document, and you can search any function here, and you can read the documentation here. You can search user. Okay, user is not there, it is there. Here you go. It returns a record of information. Email returns email. Enter returns GUID. Guys, you know what is GUID? GUID?
Global unique.
Have you seen this kind of ID? This is GUID, guys. It is 36 digits long, if I'm not wrong. Okay. Yes.
Why is it
No.
used?
It is not used or something. This is the key, which is getting used in Power Platform everywhere. So now, if you want to identify your app that you're building, so this is the ID for your app.
Okay.
Okay, like Sana, suppose you have a roll number, right? So this is the roll number of your app. Instead of 1, 2, 3, Power Platform uses GUIDs.
So each time I start creating a new, I mean, if I start working on a new canvas, I'll have another GUID.
New Canvas app.
Yeah, so that time I'll have a new GUID, right?
Correct. Correct. So let me go ahead and not tracker, it's tracker. Expense tracker, save. Here you go. My app is getting saved. Cool. So guys, this is how you will be able to see the PowerFX functions. You can uh, see and you can use it. Okay. Now guys, coming back here, I have a lot of things which are unnecessarily opened. Let me get rid of these things. Cool. So now guys, what else is required on the welcome screen?
Buttons.
Buttons,
A form.
form on welcome screen only.
Mostly options. Mostly.
First thing first, you will be needing a welcome message, right? So how the welcome message will look like? So here in text property, guys, you can go ahead and add the welcome message. This is the text property. You can go ahead and you can say, welcome, Indrajit Singh. Right?
Yes, yes.
Now, guys, is it a dynamic thing? Now, suppose Dinesh is logging in. So, what he will be able to see?
Welcome
Uh,
to
Sorry?
Indrajit Singh. Welcome Indrajit.
Welcome, Indrajit Singh, right? So, should I go ahead and add it here? Welcome, Dinesh.
No, we have to
we
use
User,
use.
we can use user function.
user dot something.
You have to make it dynamic, right?
Dynamic, yes.
So, how you will write? You will write here user dot full name, right? Now, what Dinesh will be able to see if he's logging in?
We have to concatenate the function with the text.
Very good. So this is not how things work. You have to combine the two strings, right? Concatenation is fine, but you have to combine. So to combine the strings, the functions that you need to use is concatenation, right?
Yes.
So here you go. If you go here, get rid of this. So here you can click on search concatenation. Here you have two things, concatenate and concat. So you can read from here. What does concat does? What does concatenation do? Okay, so concatenate is to
Two strings.
combine two strings. Okay, so first thing first, you can write here concatenate. Look, it is expecting first as text, and here also you will get all these things. Okay, what are the arguments and all? Comma. What is the second string, guys? User
This
dot
is the full name.
full name. But I want to add some space also here, right? So should I go ahead and add it one more here, like this, right?
Yeah.
Or if you want to make it more optimized, you don't want to introduce third argument at all, you can add space here itself. Making sense?
Yes.
Yes.
Good. So
Uh,
now,
I want to know, like, what is user? Is it a table in the backend or like,
it's a function. It's a function
yeah,
which will return, which will give you the details of the logged in user, not a table. PowerFx function it is.
okay. So it's an inbuilt function
Correct.
basically.
It's an
Yeah.
inbuilt PowerFx function.
Okay.
Cool. So now you have welcome message also, which is dynamic. You have image, dynamic image, you have dynamic welcome message, right?
Yes.
Now what else? Obviously, you will be having now buttons, right? Actionable buttons. So I will go ahead and add first button, which will be create expense. So I will try to update everyone from here. So on select means on click of button, what will work, what will happen. But I want to go ahead and I want to change the text of button. Here you go. It's button. It should say create new expense, right? And similarly, I want to change the colors and all. So if you will be changing the color from here, guys, like suppose you want to change the background color, right? Uh-huh. Color, right? So it is here you have to write this, the RGBA code. So you can happily go here and change it from here. Here you go. Automatically here the code will change. And I want to give the same color which is here on the top. I suppose this is the one, right? So let me quickly go ahead and change the size. This is 15. Let me change to 25. 25 is little larger. 20. Fine. Now your button is done. Your app is created. So guys, all these things, if you want to see how user will be able to see, you can play it. This is how user will be able to see. Isn't it looking good and clean for now?
Yes.
Yes.
Cool. So these are all the control names, guys. So you should give every control a meaningful name, like it is saying button one, right? So you can go ahead and change it. You can say create button, right? Similarly, you can say welcome label, you can say image, right? So all this should have meaningful name. So I will not give everything meaningful name because again we have to add lot of controls and keeping time in mind. I will not do that, but for screens I will give. So what is first screen, guys? It's welcome screen or home screen, right? Here you go. Now, guys, what we need to do on click of this button, we need to go ahead and open the expense page, isn't it?
Yes.
So for that, you need to introduce new screen, isn't it? So you can click on new screen, create a blank screen again. So this can be my create new expense screen, right? So I need all these things on my next screen also, isn't it? Header and footer,
Yes.
right? You can select this, press Control, select this and this. Control C, go to your new screen, Control V. Here you go. Clear, guys?
Yes, Indra.
Clear.
Cool. So now, guys, this is your create new expense screen. So how you will come here from the welcome screen?
Navigate to this
So that
screen,
button.
from
By
button.
clicking the
Button, very good.
create next.
Once someone will click on this, you should navigate that guy to create new expense screen. So now on which property you have to write this thing? You have to
On
write
select
on
property.
select property, right? So as of now, it is false. You can say you want to perform the navigation, right? So there is a function called as navigate. Navigate, target. So in target, you have to write the screen. Target, create new expense screen. And this is how the transition will happen. So this is the different variations in which the transition may happen, like cover right, fade, right? None, uncover right. So let me use uncover right. And let us see how it happens. Look, it is coming from right? So if you want to see how this transition will work, navigate. Guys, whoever is on unmute, please go ahead on mute. Look, this is cover, right? Look. Are you able to see the difference? If you're using cover, the new screen slides into view, moving right to left to cover the current screen. Okay. A new screen will come from right to left and cover the old screen, right? Are you able to see? Right से left आ रहा है? Isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
Indra.
Similarly, cover right means the new screen slides into view, moving left to right. Left to right, new screen is coming and covering the old screen, right? Guys, are you getting it? What is the difference?
Yes, Indra.
Yes, Indra.
Yes, Indra.
Yes.
And what is the default mode? It is this one. Screen transition dot none. The new screen quickly replaces the current screen. Okay?
Okay.
Cool. So now guys, you have a dead end here. Now again, if you want to go back to the home screen, how you will go?
Back.
Do you
Come
have
back
back?
button in it.
No, we have to add. Is there an
You have
exit option? Is there?
exit. This is for us because we are in developer mode. But when the people will be using it, they will be able to see like this. They will not have this cross button. So then for them, this is the dead end, right? So what you can do, you can add a home icon. Home. Place it here. And home icon should take you to where?
Some screen.
Welcome page.
Welcome screen, right? So you can click on this and you can say navigate. Welcome screen. So guys, it will always navigate to the welcome screen. Okay. Here you go. Right? Making sense?
Yeah, got it.
Now guys, next thing is now you want to go ahead and create the request, right? So to create the request, guys, you need to go ahead and create a mechanism which will fill all these fields, isn't it?
Yes.
So how to do that? You have to use something called as that is
Form.
very standard control, right? Form, isn't it? Right,
Yeah,
guys?
we have to
Form you will
connect.
be filling, isn't it? So you can click on edit form. So obviously form will be requiring the data source. So our data source is
Expense details.
expense details. Very good. Here you go. It will automatically add fields, controls. You have to wait for a few seconds. Here you go. Let me resize it to the screen size. Okay. So by default, guys, it will pick 10 fields. Okay. Here you can see fields 10 selected. So I want to get all the fields which are required. Title we are not using. I'll remove it. Claim ID, employee name, submission date, claim date, approved date, invoice number. I want to add other fields. Click on add field. And from here, I will be selecting claim status, completion date, contact number, email, employee ID, employee type, location, name, RM. That's it. Okay, it got stuck, guys. My app got stuck. Here you go. So guys, are you able to see all the fields? Okay, name is also not required. So guys, from here, if you want to avoid this scroll bar, as of now, you are able to see 3 columns, right? You can have 4 also. Here you go. Now everything will have four columns. So layout, it's more vertical. If you want to change to horizontal, you can change to horizontal also. Okay. Making sense, my dear friends?
Yes, yes.
Cool. Now, guys, if you click on play mode, you are not able to see fields. No items to display. Right? It's an issue, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
Why it's a issue? Why it is happening? It is happening because if you click on this data sources expense detail, that is fine. But if you see a setting called as default mode, so default mode of the form is edit, right?
Okay.
So it should be what? This is which mode? The form that we require to open here, it should be in which mode, guys? It will be creating a new record or it will be editing the existing record?
It's
New
creating
record.
a record.
Creating a new record, right? So then in that case, the form mode should be, should
New.
be
New.
new, right? So your form can either open in edit mode, new mode, or view mode. Okay. So it is new. Now let us see. Boom. Clear?
Yes, Indra.
Yes.
Now I will try to create a record. One, Indra, department, finance, submission date suppose today only. Claim type, 5,000, 5,000. Okay. Claim status, completion date, fast track approval. Okay. Now, guys, you headed everything, right? Now, how the details will be getting to the data source? Do we have something? Did we
Submit
implemented
button.
something?
Name.
Submit.
Like submit
Submit.
button.
You need a
Submit.
submission
Sub.
button, right? So very good. So I will go ahead and I'll copy the previous button only because I don't want to do the formatting again. Okay. Now, guys, what should happen on click of submit button? It should go ahead and submit the form, and the form name is form 1, right? That is it. Now I simply go ahead here and I'll click on submit. The record will get submitted. So now, guys, if when the record will get submitted, should I go ahead and show a notification also? So you
Yes.
can click on this
It's
thing
needed.
and you can say notify expense submitted successfully. And second argument will be notification type. So it's a error notification, warning notification, information, or success.
It's a success.
It's a success notification. Let us see. Now I'll click on this thing. Submit. Submitted. Is the form submitted?
Yeah.
What about others, guys? Your form is stuck.
Done.
It's gone, right? Let's see in the data source whether expense got created or not. Let me refresh it. Boom. Is it created, guys?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
So you have successfully created two screens in your app, and you are able to view the expense getting stored in the data source, right?
Yes.
Now, guys, let's move here and oh no, 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 no. Okay. Control is let me save up till this point, saving to PowerApps. Okay. Now, guys, there are few issues, right? The moment I submitted, the form got submitted, and again, same thing came here. So what I need to do once the form is getting submitted, I need to open the form again in new mode. So you can write here new form, form one. So what it will do, once you will submit, it will open the form again. So you will not be able to see it again here. So how you can remove this? You go to form, go to mode, change it to edit, view, cross, change it to new again. Then you will be able to see the form. I will quickly go ahead and submit one more claim, okay? This will be my second claim. Indrajit, department, IT, 26, certification, 20,000, 20,000, contact number, and submit. Is it submitted?
Yes.
This time form is again there, a blank form,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Why it is there? Because here on submission, I am saying submit the form, give notification, and generate the form again in new mode. Clear? But
Yeah.
have you what are the issues or what are the improvements that you can done in your form?
Yeah, if we want to edit again, like if we want to make any changes in the submitted form, can we do that?
You can you will not be able to make any changes in the submitted form. This is not the form that we are submitting. We are submitting the expenses, right? The records.
Mm.
So we will be creating an interface where you will be able to edit also. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
But first thing first, is there any issues with the
Uh,
form?
We need to
Can
have
disable
required
the
fields.
submit button while mandatory fields are not updated in this form.
Yes, mandatory fields. That's what I was trying to say. We need to have mandatory fields.
Okay, very good. Mandatory fields. Okay,
Form validations.
very good. Form validations, right? Shweta, can you please tell me few and why it is required?
Phone number must have 10 numbers.
Very
Email
good.
Data
So,
should be a
guys,
accuracy.
perfect
form
for
validations is very
Data
important
accuracy.
because that will maintain your data integrity, accuracy, right? User will not be able to see, user will not be able to put garbage into your databases, right? Here you can see we did not have any form validation and what I have put in the number 986574, right? Isn't it? And I did not have anything mandatory field, so email I did not put, right? Isn't it?
Yes, yes, yes.
So now someone said like the contact number should be at least 10 digits. Yeah, that is very good. What else? Claim ID, guys. Every time you will be putting claim
Yeah,
ID like 1 and 2.
claim ID
Primary key
that we
name.
don't know, no?
And it should be auto generated, isn't it?
Yes.
Similarly, employee name. Is it a very good architecture where you are adding your own name here?
No, the claim ID, when you put the claim ID, it has to automatically generate your name and other fields like department, contact number. Yeah,
Yeah.
I think so.
Department and contact number, suppose you don't know how to fetch. At least name you know, right? User dot full name, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
Cool. So here in department, you are having very less chances for errors, right? Because this is the few, what to say, options that you have to choose from. Similarly, amount and approved amount, you can't do anything. Description also, it is a free text only. Invoice also. Claim status is also fine. Completion date is fine. Contact number we already discussed. Do we need to put email ID also again, guys? Can't you get the user email?
Yes, we can.
Yeah, we
You
can.
you can, right? Employee ID, okay, that is fine. Employee type is fine. RM also we can get, right? So I will go ahead and create a configuration table. It will automatically, sorry guys, automatically populate the RM. Okay. So these are all
Indra,
the things that we will
one
be
thing.
working again, working on the next class. Yeah, Priyanka, go ahead.
Here now, submission date. Can we submit? I mean, the date will be yesterday's date or tomorrow's date.
Yeah, you can also do that. Like you can, instead of submission date, you can get rid of this. And in the form, it's in the submit form itself, you can say today's date when you're submitting.
It should be today's date only, right? Whenever we, I mean, it
Correct.
should be default one when you're doing
Correct.
this.
Correct. Yeah.
And
So
the
when
completion
tomorrow
date
we will work
also.
on this, when tomorrow we will work on this, most of the fields will go away. We will clean
Okay.
this up. Okay.
Okay. And the
Claims ID
completion date
is not
also.
required. Completion date also what?
What is it means? What does it means? Like
It means
completion in the sense.
when your expense is getting approved.
Uh, that depends upon the approval side, right? Once he
Yes,
approved,
correct.
that date will comes out there. Why we need to put?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, that is
Lot
also
of
the
things.
thing.
Approved amount should it be here?
No,
Yeah.
it should be approved from some random thing.
Right.
Yeah.
So we will clean it up. And this is the submit form function that I wanted to introduce you to. We are done with this. There is one more function to submit the data, that is patch function. That is very extensible, very, I would say, good function to learn. So there are two functions only in Canvas app, which will help you submit the data. And this is very important interview question also. It will be asked 99 out of 100 times. Okay, so what is submit form and patch function? So submit form you have already seen. Patch function you will be seeing a lot in next classes, might be 2, 3 classes. Yes, Anna.
So on the submit button, I want to know like I think we wrote it as new form something, right? In the
Mhm.
PowerFX. So instead of that, why are we not using FormMode.New?
FormMode.New is the display mode property thing. Okay.
It's used for displaying the new form, right? So when you're clicking
No,
submit,
no, that is the form property. Okay. If you go to default mode of the form control, so then here you can say open the form in new mode. But on submit button, what you are doing, you are opening the form in new mode, okay, through the button. So if you have to open the form in the new mode from a click of button, so you have to use this function.
okay. So basically, you're saying you cannot use form mode in
No,
other component controls. You can only use it on the form control.
correct. Yeah.
Also, I wanted to ask, like, why are the properties so like? I mean, am I feeling it's confusing, or is it like that? Because you have a few verbs in it and few adjectives in it. Like on select is like something that you have to do. text is just looking like a property of it. Like that fill
Everything is
is
property. Everything is property. On select means what should happen on select of that button. Okay. Text means the display text. Everything is called as property. Whatever you are able to see here, everything is called as property. Like if
default
you,
mode.
sorry,
Again, the display mode and default mode, those are also uh, properties.
yeah, everything is property. You will be seeing how what is default. Default means like what should be the default value of this. So suppose you want to have default value as Indra, right? So you can instead of parent dot default, you can say Indra. Now by default, Indra will be written. We will be seeing this thing
Okay.
in the next class.
One more last that I had, like the form new dot edit, right? That's when you cannot, I mean, the users can't see the form in the edit mode,
You
basically.
tell me, Sana. You are,
That's
I'm
what I
telling you,
noticed.
no, I'm asking you a question.
Okay.
Forget about your Sana. You are a
Okay.
computer. I'm asking you to edit the record. What will be your question to me?
Edit the record.
I'm asking you to edit the record. What will be your question to me?
I mean,
Okay,
where is
you
the
you
data?
ask you ask me same question.
Okay. What will you do to edit the record?
You want to edit the record?
Yes.
What records you want to edit? Where is that
Uh,
record?
the ones that I've already taken in the form, like selected in the form.
Sorry,
The ones that I've already taken in I mean selected in the form.
where you
I
have
want to edit
selected?
in form component.
Where you are selecting in form component? In form component, I'm not selecting anything. I'm just giving the data source expense detail. Expense detail can have thousands of records.
But you've selected only these to be displayed, right? Like claim ID, employee name, department,
Are these records? These are fields,
fields. Okay, sorry. Yeah,
right?
got it. Yeah.
Cool. Sharif, you were getting unmuted, bro.
No, Indra. Please continue.
Cool. So, guys, I'm done with the thing. I think we have covered a lot of things. So, you have lots of things to practice, and the people who don't have license, so it will pile up a lot for them. So, we will be having next session on Monday. That will be our last free session. And that is it from my end. If you have any doubts, you guys can go ahead. We are already into doubt sessions. So, I know it is little tricky. I know it is, you are new to this. You will be having lots of doubts. Any doubt that you have, you guys can go ahead and ask.
And it might be a simple question. In Power BI, we give importance to the font type versus Go UI. Why we didn't apply in the Power Apps? It's
In
not.
PowerApps also you can go ahead and apply, but in PowerApps like it does not, I would say, have that much foundation which one to use. So you can go ahead and use from here. That is fine if you want to use Figure UI.
So, any font type which is best practice to use like that we have.
Like normally in all my project I have used OpenSense and Figure UI only.
Okay.
These things depends on client also. You can go ahead and show them the fonts, whichever they like. You can go ahead and use that. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
standard
Okay.
you can use these two.
Got it. Got it.
Okay.
And also when we create the app, we have an option like responsive tablet. What is the difference between those?
I will tell you what are responsive apps at the basically in the course later in the course. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
how to make app responsive. So these
Okay.
are some, I would say, bread and butter things that we are doing. So responsive is a cherry on the top, so that you will be
Okay.
getting.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Also wanted to know, like, will the interviewers ask for PowerFX formulas?
Yeah, they will ask you what is submit form, what is patch function. They will
So,
ask.
like, will they ask the syntax
Yeah, they
and
can.
okay.
And one more question. We can change the color of the form. It is in blue. We can also change into the different colors.
Color of the form, right?
Yeah, yeah, this one.
This is what you were saying.
No, it's a full one. I'm asking the color of the field and the.
Controls you are saying,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
So
yeah.
you can select the control and from here you can change.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, okay.
Here you have selection color, chevron colors. So if you want your chevron to look like this, you can change. Okay.
Got it.
So all these things are the properties that you can play with. Okay.
Okay, Indra.
What are the items, the properties?
I'll tell you what are items, where you are able to see items.
I just saw when you clicked on the form, I guess, but it went away now.
Okay. Ignore it for now.
Okay.
Sir, we are covering model-driven application as well, or only
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
canvas we are.
No, 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 no. Aditya, first class.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Yeah.
Cool. Cool, cool, cool. I would want you to go ahead from to the first session and watch the recording. But I
Okay.
will answer your question. We are covering model-driven app, and very extensively we are covering. Not only we are touching it, very extensively we are covering model-driven apps, Power Pages, Cloud Flows, Desktop Flows, Copilot Studio, Canvas apps. Everything will be covered.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Thanks. So
Thank you.
this previous backdated videos will be available on YouTube, right?
Yeah, yeah, YouTube, it is available and it is available on our portal also. Let me show you the YouTube video itself so that all of you, the people who have this basic doubt what we will be covering and all, it is cleared. Okay. KSR Data Vision. So this is the current one which we are live. Okay. This is the one which was streamed 1 day ago. Power Platform
Okay.
Developer Session 2.
Session 1 on the top only, a little bit. Yeah, this one.
This is session 2, Mahesh.
The next one,
Yeah,
session 1.
this
Yeah.
one. Why Power Platform is 2026 hottest tech skill. Okay. Aditya,
Yeah, yeah.
So
it
all
is
these available
56
in
minutes.
our website also. Like from our website, you can able to enroll for the free sessions. From there, you can able to watch. It's available
Yeah,
in
let
both.
me show you that also, guys. It is datavision.com. Okay. You can log in with your account if you already have, or you can sign up and create a new account. You can add your email ID and the account will be created. So once it is done, you can click on courses. So here you will be able to see a free sessions. Okay. So you can go to the free sessions of this batch, 22nd December. Okay, yeah, this one only. Suppose this is the batch, you can click on enroll now. So once you will enroll, here itself you will be able to find the first 5 free session recording. And if you want to enroll, you can click on courses, paid sessions, and you can select the batch, this one, and click on buy now. and you can enroll from here. If you're facing any issues, you guys can get in touch with our team. Okay?
Yeah. For one-time payment, you can able to make 27, and how to get that 3,000 discount, you can connect with our team, guys.
Yes. Disclaimer.
So along
Okay.
with this, like we have we are going to be help you with the resume building. We are going to be guide you with the portfolio building, and we are going to be take care about your placements. Still, you are getting calls. It's a purely our responsibility. We are not going to be do any help. Okay, it's a completely our responsibility.
Hi.
Yes.
Yes.
Hi. Yeah. Actually, I'm working in testing field. So,
Mm-hmm.
if I will do this course, is it possible to, I mean, switch from
Yeah.
testing
So
to?
here currently 24 people are there. All these 24 people, no one is working in Power Platform. So
Okay.
everyone, maybe some people Power Base, some people testing, some people DevOps, some people maybe any other technologies. So all are from different backgrounds. Now our goal will be to make your profile like as a Power Platform. Example, you are into the testing, but I'm going to be make your Power profile like around 2 years to 4 years. You are into the Power Platform.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Any other questions, guys? Hello.
Yeah. Like this will be at the end of the whole course, or will it be like anytime when we ask, or when will that be? Like the resume building.
Yeah. Sorry, Sarah, I lost you.
The resume building you were saying, right? Like you will be tweaking it as 2 years or 4 years.
Hmm.
So that will be like at the end of the course, or will it be
If you
like
want, I can able
anytime?
to make today, but that useful or not, we have to be. Example, some people they are want to make it rush, and they are going to be
Mm-hmm.
take even previous batch records, and they are going to be finish early.
Right.
Example, there
Right.
is a guy from November batch, and he already got a job.
Oh,
Reason he taken the previous batch records and he finished a little rush and he got the job.
okay.
Right? It's a depends on the student's requirement. Usually end of the session, but if anyone need a little early, yes, we are happy to help you in the day one itself.
Got it. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. And even the portfolio building, the placements from our point of view, we will trust like it's a start from the day one, not from the course ending. Okay, so you can able to see even this AI entry hub, this name we are going to be changed very soon as a clear my interview. So you can able to take all your multiple interviews here. Reason we thought like even we I am identifying from the students, right? A lot many people are failing in their interview even though they know the answer. Just they are not able to present in the last minute during that conversation. Maybe it may happens to you guys also already, right? You know the answer, but you are failed to present at that time due to the kind of tension or else due to the scared or else due to the low confidence, right? So to reduce all those things, we can able to do multiple practices here. Hope you guys are aware about this. If not, I will guide you again. You can able to create account again here also. It's a different entity, but it's developed by our team only. I'm just showing one how it works. So you can able to you can upload your resume. You can do your interview practice. And if you have want to write any written test, aptitude, multiple choice questions, and we can able to analyze your resume as well. Example, it's a technical interview. So it will turn on your camera and it will convert your voice to text as well. And it will take the questions depends on the JD and resume, not just random questions. So it's going to be predict at least 40 to 50% of the questions depends on JD. Example, tomorrow you have an interview with the Tech Mahindra and you have that JD. If you are uploading your resume and JD, it's going to be shoot the questions depends on that. Okay. We can start even record also. Just I'm giving random.
Your task.
So it's asking particularly reason I given that JD from the investment banking yesterday. That's the reason it's shooting the same questions. Okay. But if you are giving anyone your resume, it will shoot the same questions and you can able to understand. Anyone have a resume, you can share with me. Now we can verify.
You're developing a power.
Okay. So anyone have a resume, guys? 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 So anyone have a It won't ask even just randomly. It will ask questions, depends on your answer as well.
You are tasked with creating a Power BI report to analyze the disbursement patterns of AIIB projects. The source data is in a SQL Server database.
You can able to download your video
project,
and you can able to view
project
report as well.
ID, project name, country, sector,
You
and
can see here
disbursements.
the question.
Disbursement ID, project ID, disbursement date, amount.
Ideal answer.
You need to calculate the cumulative disbursement amount for each project over time and visualize the disbursement curves, highlighting any projects that are significantly lagging behind their planned disbursement schedules. Describe the DAX measures you would create. You are designing a new Power BI report to visualize the financial performance of AIIB's investment projects. The data is stored in a SQL Server database with tables for projects, investments, and financial
Says that
transactions.
interview voiceover is coming.
Business stakeholders want to see a clear trend of
The
investment
voice of bot, interview bot is coming.
Yeah, sorry. I just closed now. Yeah.
Yes.
So along with that, we are also helping you with the making portfolio also. Let me share you that. So every student going to be make this kind of portfolio. So your resume, your designation, so what kind of role you are planning, and your LinkedIn account, your resume, your GitHub, or your self intro. And this lady just started her course around 3 months back, so only one project. But in your case, at least 3 projects we are going to showcase. The project explanation by you only. So because of these two benefits, the first benefit will be it will be easy to share the portfolio directly with the recruiter, and even they will get a better idea how your profile looks like, your resume, your LinkedIn, and your project explanation, so that they will get a more confidence. And the second one and more important will be you will get a confidence. You can see.
Hi everyone, I am Nema. Today let me start by giving a brief background of my project, Fraud Detection Analytics and Monitoring Dashboards. In today's digital banking world, fraud detection is one of the biggest challenges. Thousands of transactions happen every second, information and pattern discovery.
So while making this portfolio, right, you will take at least 5 to 6 times. You won't be happy with the first record. So when you will get a more confidence on your project explanation from your resume, it will be easy for you to clear your interview, right? So this portfolio making we will take care, and the resume building, Naukri, LinkedIn, and also the placement sales session we are going to be take at least 3 days in a week. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. From Monday at 11 o'clock, Wednesday at 4 o'clock, and Friday at 7 p.m. So you have any questions like you are not getting calls, or else you are not able to clear the interview, everything we can discuss there. Okay. Any questions on the guys? Either tool or this one. This tool we are going to be doing that 2 different ways. First thing is like it's a helping to you guys, and second thing, the data we are going to be share with the recruiters while hiring. They can able to hire from the people here. All your people's information will be available so that they can able to pick whatever the profile they need. Along with this, KSR alumni will be there. They are going to be who already got placed in the previous batches. They are going to be help the new people because they also will get a referral bonus, right?
This is only for the people who are in India.
Which one?
The one you just said, like they'll be picking up your profiles from the data.
No. Currently, it's in India.
Okay.
So we are expanding. Like it depends on the situations. We are expanding. Currently, it's working for the India. We are as of now we got around 12 companies support. So they are ready to hire from this one also, because anyway we are going to be give that free only. Usually companies also will spend amount on LinkedIn and Naukri. So anyway we are going to give these profiles for free of cost. The recruiters are showing interest while they're picking. They will check their portfolios, everything. So compared to just a Naukri resume, they are more happy, right, while picking that profile. They know about you before they are scheduling interview. They know your mock interview test. It will give the results. It will give the JD compatibility, everything. So recruiters are also very happy to filter the profiles.
So basically, if I have the credentials already, right? So if I already have the credentials, I can give multiple times, like
yes,
fundamental.
multiple times in the sense that we have options right here. So depends. 10 mock
Okay,
interviews,
the
50,
depends on
200.
the
Yes.
package you take. Okay, got it.
Yes. So you just need to do practice for your side only. But from our side, what we are doing, this data we are going to be share with the recruiters. They can able to access your profiles. Example, Sana, if you are working as a data analyst and you want to hire for a Power Platform developer for your project, so you can just go to our website and their dashboard is different. They are looking for Power Platform with a 3 to 5 years experience, and you given a JD. How many profiles are matching from our database? It will show them, and they just simply click on that particular profiles randomly, and they can able to pick. The score also it will display for 85, 70, 75 or 70 something. So they can able to pick the profiles from there, and then they will check their videos quality, like their way of explanation, their LinkedIn and their GitHub account, even this portfolio. Then they can decide and they will schedule an interview. Compared to just from Naukri and LinkedIn, it will give more data for them. You got it right?
Got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So for our students, like we are
Yeah.
planning to make this at just 99 rupees, not 999. So if you want anyone to practice, anyway, first 3 interviews, it's again free. So if you want, you can buy this one. For any domain, it works for all the domains.
Mundarao Gunji, you can go ahead. You were trying to ask question from long back, right?
Yeah. I just wanted to know, whoever taking this course, for them, this site will be, available for free of cost, or do we need to pay again?
It's a free, not a free of cost. That's what I said. No, it's a double nine, not 999. It's a double nine.
Okay.
99 rupees.
So for double nine,
You will
3.
get this entry level option, and this one maybe we will thought to give it at just 199 for our students.
Okay, Mahesh.
Okay. So anything we want to make it just the lowest price for our students. So nothing like it's a difference, sir. Only reason I thought when we are giving complete free, they are just thought it's not useful to them.
Yes, got it.
When we are spending little bit a penny, then they will thought, okay, it's a useful tool. Yeah. Any other questions, guys? Portfolio, it's a free only. We are going to help you. Just I need from your side. We will guide you how to work on this one. You just need to drag and drop your peak, your link of GitHub, resume, and LinkedIn, and any of your self-introduction video. You can just record by your mobile also, and you can upload to your YouTube. And you no need to be released. Just keep it as unlisted. And who are clicking on this link, only those people can able to watch it. No, other than that, no one can able to see your portfolio, and it won't be visible to any others. Okay, your skills and this project. This one also our team will guide you how to do. If you have any questions and all, they will guide you how to build this portfolio. Okay. Yeah. So guys, let me know if you have any questions. Either Dinesh.
Mahesh.
Yeah, Sharif.
So regarding payment, I have done one-time payment. So can we check on that one?
Sorry?
I have done one-time payment.
Mm.
So you said 27,000, right?
Uh,
Can we check on that one once?
I can't
Again?
check right now, sir.
Not now,
You can
later.
write
I
an
will.
email to support. Maybe you can with whom you connected, and you can check with them. Okay.
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 Fine.
Yeah. Any other questions, team? Once done, maybe I'm not sure, sir. It's maybe anything, but you can just anyway, you can write an email. Our team will help you in some other way. Like anyway, the tools are giving or any coupon codes, or else for any other courses, any generating coupon codes. When you done the payment?
Maybe 1 week back.
Okay, at this moment maybe, but somehow I will check with the team also if you get any other sources for you. Okay.
Yeah, please.
Yeah. Any questions, team? If no questions, we can meet on Monday. Yeah.
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 Okay, guys. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, Indra.
Thank you.